Updating your billing information on SimActive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SimActive website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this option to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing information is saved. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on SimActive. Regularly checking your details can help prevent any interruptions in service.